As per Samsung, the new stores launched in light of customer interest for hands-on involvement with their items. That could be particularly imperative given the organization's for quite some time expected foldable telephone that is relied upon to show up nearby the Galaxy S10 at 1 week from now. Also, the new stores will make repair services including for 4K gaming activities and for DVR theaters. On the odd chance that you're searching for a progressively customary retail experience, at that point Samsung says the stores will cover cell phones, tablets, wearables, TVs, and savvy home gadgets. Just as Samsung experience counters situated inside Best Buy stores, the organization has additionally launched Spring Up stores to harmonize with huge numbers of its significant item dispatches. Its lead 836 area in New York then, is centered on encounters, and doesn't really move any Samsung items. These 3 new retail stores join these services into individual store. In the event that you're further away from home, at that point Samsung is likewise arranging a Spring Up visit in March to advance its new items all the more extensively. The stores will open on February 28, with areas in the Americana at Brand in Los Angeles, Roosevelt Field in Long Island, New York, and the Galleria in Houston. Moreover, Samsung launching 3 new retail stores in the U.S. The new Samsung Experience stores will be situated in Los Angeles, Long Island, and Houston, and will have variety of Samsung items available to be purchased, just as offering access to fixed services, and various other in-store encounters.